Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today we're tackling a frustrating issue that many Sims 4 players face, the game refusing to launch properly after an update. Whether you're getting stuck on the loading screen, experiencing crashes, or the game simply won't start, I've got you covered with these proven solutions. Let's start with the most common and effective fixes. Game updates can sometimes conflict with existing files and settings, but we can get things working again. First, let's address the number one culprit: custom content and mods. After any game update, outdated mods are the most common cause of loading issues. Go to your Sims 4 folder, usually in Documents, Electronic Arts, The Sims 4, and move your entire mods folder to your desktop temporarily. Also, delete the localthemcake.package file from your Sims 4 folder. Now try launching the game. If it works, you'll need to update your mods before putting them back. While we're in the Sims 4 folder, let's clear the game cache. Delete these files if they exist: Cache History, Cache World, Avatar Cache.package. Don't worry, these will regenerate automatically and often fix loading issues. If the game still won't launch, let's repair the game through Origin or the EA app. Right-click on the Sims 4 in your library, select Repair, and let the process complete. This checks all game files and replaces any that might have been corrupted during the update. For those using OneDrive or other cloud storage, this can sometimes cause conflicts. Make sure your Sims 4 folder isn't being synced to the cloud while you're playing, as this can interfere with game loading and saving. Now, let's check your graphics drivers. Game updates sometimes introduce new features that require updated drivers. Visit your graphics card manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers for your specific model. If you're still having issues, let's try running the game as administrator. Right-click the Sims 4 shortcut, select Properties, go to the Compatibility tab, and check Run this program as an administrator. This can help with permission-related loading issues. As a last resort, you might need to reinstall the game. Before doing this, back up your saves, mods, and trace folders. Uninstall through Origin/EA app, then download and install a fresh copy. Remember to test the game before adding your custom content back. I know how frustrating it is when the Sims 4 won't load after an update, especially when you're excited to play with new content. One of these solutions should get your game running again. For most players, updating mods and clearing the cache does the trick. If this guide helped you get back to your Sims gameplay, I'd really appreciate if you could hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more gaming troubleshooting guides. Let me know in the comments which fix worked for you. Thanks for watching.